Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn upload multiple files using Node.js and the BusBoy. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So in the previous video we have done with the upload single file using Node.js and the BusBoy. Now we have a multiple file system, right? So let me go and copy the code and check. So let's copy this code, okay, and then start the server, right? There is small little changes over here, okay, nothing big on that. So I think the most important change, let's have a look on that one, okay. So here we have a express, path, fs and the busboy, the npm packages, then express, initialize that one. Then we have a route for file uploads, okay, and here we have the initialization. Initialize an object to store the file path. So const files to be empty. Then listen to the file events. So here we have the field name, file name, and everything over here. Generate a unique file name for all. Okay. So we have that one. And then files with the field name save to. Save that one. Okay. And then file dot pipe create server save to. We are all saving that files into that one. Okay, once finished, that files upload successfully, then pipe the request to stream the busboy and then start the server. This is very easy and very simple. So here you can see that in the file section we are going to move that or save that one. Okay, so let's see, is it working or not? It's working. Okay, so let's go to the postman uploads. Let's try to upload multiple images, right? So we go with the downloads and I have multiple images. So let's go and check. This is async, this one, this one, this one. So three images. Let's try to upload. Okay, open. So why it's not opening? Let me select these files. So let's take a logo of that one. So here we have these two images. Let's take an example. So two images, two files selected. Okay. So now try to upload this one. Send. It says that file uploaded successfully. Let's go to the uploads directory. Is it uploaded? So here you can see add a text and add the image. So this add the text block to a contact form and this image is, that means multiple file upload with the help of this with the busboy is done. Okay, so if you have a requirement like I want to save that images into the db or insert that one, okay, so can we do that? So in the next video we are going to do that also. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Please do the reach. Please make my subscribers to be like a large amount so that I can upload more videos for the free of cost. Okay, so thank you so much, have a great day.